Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Matty Collins and the title is not clickbait. Today in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys two things. One, how to add channel cover art for YouTube, and two, how to add a subscribe button for your viewers. Beyond showing you guys how to do this, I'm actually going to be giving away 1,000 free customized channel art, and or you can choose to have a subscribe button customized for you. And the way you're going to do this is you're going to shoot me an email. My email is in the description below, and then I'm going to get back to you guys with your free PNG file that you can then add to your YouTube channel. But first, let's learn how to make the channel cover art look nice and a subscribe button on your YouTube channel. Let's head on over to YouTube and I'll show you guys how. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is click on the right, go to your channel. And once we get to our channel, all we have to do is click on our banner image, top right, and it will take us to settings for our channel. You can see your profile photo, and I'll leave that up to you guys, your banner image, and also a video watermark. So these are the two things that I will create for you if you just shoot me an email. So once I've sent you back the banner image or video watermark, all you gotta do is click change, find it, hopefully it's not you in a banana suit, and you're good. Okay guys, so that wraps up today's video. Hopefully now you know how to add cover art to your YouTube channel and or a subscribe button. And all you gotta do next is just go to the description below. You just have to find my email, shoot me a message, maybe the name of your channel, color scheme or something you're going for, and I'll send you back your free customized channel art. So that's all for now. I look forward to your emails and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.